Hello everyone. Now market says the Indian vegetarian diet doesn't have a protein. They are deficit in protein. They have a deficiency in protein. So I don't agree with this. If you look at it, the Indian beauty, Indian thali, Indian wisdom, we have a rice, we have a dal, we have a sabji. If you add all these lentils with the dal, rice and sabji, you will get all essential amino acids. Now here the question arises that why they are saying to buy their product, or why they are saying that they don't have a protein, because they want to sell you protein powder, they want to sell you protein supplements. It's all about the market. You are the market, you are the product of this market. So don't look at all these things and become a product. If you go with this protein powder, synthetic protein powder or protein supplements, you will cause problem. If you cannot cure with the wholesome and natural food, look at the Indian thali, the beauty, whether it's south, east, west, north, anything. With thali we have a rice, we have a dal, we have a sabji, we have a probiotics chutney, salads, we have a pickle. So look at the beauty. When you mix all together and have it, you will get all essential amino acids. We have 8 to 9 different types of dal. We have a yellow dal, we have black dal, orange dal, red dal, this dal, that dal. We have a different kind of lentils, we have different kind of legumes. We have a black rajma, brown rajma, white rajma, small rajma. We have a different kind of chickpeas, small chickpeas, big chickpeas. We have gram, black gram, brown gram. So you need to see all the wholesome. You need to add different things in your diet, in your food, your meal, and you will get all the essential amino acids in your food. Now look at the things. If you are consuming dairy product, you can go with the dairy. That's absolutely fine. Now here the thing is, the market again want to sell you. Earlier they said ghee is not good. Now because they wanted to sell the refined oil, now they are saying, they means that I'm talking about from the west, which comes all the research and publication. Now they are selling ghee and they're saying that ghee is good. So this is what you need to look at. That look at the in India, any hardworking people, if you find them, for example, farmer goes to work hard solely. Look at his body, he's ribbed and perfectly tough and fine. Does the farmer carry a protein shake with him and take the protein shake and work in the farm? No, right? It doesn't work like that. He doesn't do that. So my whole point is here that do not become a product of this market. Eat the Indian wisdom, eat the food which we are eating from the long time. If you are non-vegetarian, you can consume the non, that's not a problem, but I'm talking specifically about the Indian vegetarian diet and food. Now here I'll tell you one of the superfood. Look at the sattu, which we called roasted chickpea flour. The beauty about sattu, it is all the wholesome. Take it 1-2 scoop of sattu, add it in your water and drink it either morning or evening. Drink it after post workout or pre-workout. You will get all the essential protein with this drink. And this is plant based, this is absolutely available. Now nobody will talk about the sattu because there is no profit, no money and many things. So now look at the sattu is people are using decade after decade, from the years after years, and look at all the hardworking people, they are using sattu. It's a superfood. So here my whole point to telling you about that, look at the Indian wisdom, go with the all essential food which we get it in a wholesome, add it different kind of lentils, your dal, your legumes, your grams, black grams, white grams, or whatever different kind of things, then you will get all the essential proteins in your food and your diet. Do not look at the market. This is the market. They want to use you and they want to destroy your health, your body, because your body made naturally. Your body is not made with the capsule or supplements and synthetic powder. You have to create all this, generate all those amino acids within your body from the source of natural food. So get the food which is good, go with the Indian wisdom, go with that Indian thali and find out the food which is you have grown up eating till now. Take care of yourself, take care of your health. All the very best. Bye-bye.